Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am just giving you a quick update on my featured native plants series. This is my nature journal and it has all of the native plants paintings that I have been doing for 2025, and they are using watercolor and ink, and this is so that I can complete my paintings faster in less time, and also sometimes I have a little less time to focus, being a busy mom and working a full-time day job as well as doing my videos. So this is a recent one that I did, Bleeding Heart. I'm not sure that I've featured this one in a video yet. It's not on my website yet, but and then the Buttercup, this is featured in the previous video I posted in collaboration with Mead and Art. And then this is my most recent one that I painted, which is Self Heal. And this is a beautiful wildflower found out in the back meadow behind my house. And it's a medicinal plant and used in a lot of Chinese medicine as well. So I just wanted to film a quick video to say hello and show you what I've been up to. And a lot of these paintings are also videos that I have filmed for classes in the watercolor garden, like this beautiful Calypso orchid. And the most recent class that I have posted is the Tiger Lily here. This is a new full-length class in the watercolor garden. So if you're interested in that, then you can check it out in the video description below. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe. And I think you'll also enjoy this video here where I take you through a tour of my Field Notes nature journal.